Galileo Galilei, born in Pisa, Italy in 1564, was a revolutionary figure in the history of science. He is known as the father of modern science. His groundbreaking work challenged centuries-old beliefs. Galileo's discoveries reshaped our understanding of the universe. Galileo's legacy is truly multifaceted. He was an astronomer, physicist, engineer, and mathematician. His work laid the foundation for modern physics and astronomy. Galileo's emphasis on observation and experimentation transformed scientific inquiry. He dared to question established doctrines and beliefs. His courage paved the way for generations of scientists. Galileo's story is one of intellectual curiosity and unwavering pursuit of truth. His life and work continue to inspire us all. Galileo's legacy reminds us to question, observe, and seek knowledge beyond accepted boundaries. Galileo Galilei was born into a time of great artistic and intellectual ferment. The world around him was buzzing with new ideas, discoveries, and artistic expressions that were reshaping society. The Italian Renaissance was in full swing, a period marked by a revival of classical learning and wisdom. This era saw the flourishing of art, science, and literature, creating a fertile ground for curious minds like Galileo's. Galileo's father, Vincenzo Galilei, was a musician and composer. Vincenzo instilled in his son a love for learning and a questioning mind. He often engaged young Galileo in discussions about music theory and the nature of sound, sparking an early interest in scientific inquiry. As a young man, Galileo was educated in a monastery. He excelled in his studies, displaying a keen interest in mathematics and natural philosophy. The serene environment of the monastery provided him with the perfect setting to nurture his intellectual pursuits. However, Galileo's father wanted him to pursue a more practical career in medicine. Despite his initial path in medicine, Galileo's passion for mathematics and physics could not be suppressed. He found himself constantly drawn to the mysteries of the natural world, often conducting experiments and observations in his spare time. He left the University of Pisa without a degree. Galileo continued his studies independently, immersing himself in the works of ancient and contemporary thinkers. He devoured texts on mathematics, astronomy, and physics, laying the foundation for his future contributions to science. His insatiable curiosity and independent spirit would define his life's work. Galileo's early explorations laid the groundwork for his groundbreaking discoveries. He was not content with merely accepting established knowledge. He sought to test and verify it through observation and experimentation. He was about to challenge the very foundations of the universe as it was known. Galileo's relentless pursuit of truth and his innovative methods would eventually lead to monumental shifts in our understanding of the cosmos, forever changing the course of science and human thought. Galileo's scientific career was marked by groundbreaking discoveries. These challenged the prevailing Aristotelian view of the universe. Galileo's pursuit of knowledge and willingness to question established beliefs set him apart. His work laid the groundwork for modern physics and astronomy. Aristotle's geocentric model placed the Earth at the center of the cosmos and dominated Western thought for centuries. This model influenced science, philosophy, and religion. The idea that the Earth was the immovable center of the universe was widely accepted. Galileo's work on motion was significant. He challenged Aristotle's assertion that heavier objects fall faster than lighter ones. Through experiments, Galileo showed that the rate of fall is independent of an object's mass, requiring a rethinking of motion principles. Galileo demonstrated that all objects fall at the same rate, regardless of weight. This discovery, known as the law of falling bodies, revolutionized our understanding of gravity. His experiments provided clear evidence that contradicted Aristotelian thought. This laid the foundation for Isaac Newton's work on universal gravitation. Newton built upon Galileo's findings, formulating the laws of motion and universal gravitation, cornerstones of classical physics. Galileo's commitment to empirical observation distinguished him as a pioneer of modern science. His evidence-based conclusions and systematic experimentation were revolutionary, paving the way for future generations of scientists. In 1609, Galileo Galilei heard rumors of a remarkable new invention from the Netherlands: the telescope. This simple yet revolutionary device had the potential to change the way humanity perceived the universe. Intrigued by its potential, Galileo set about constructing his own telescope. He meticulously gathered materials and studied the principles behind the device. He improved upon the original design, achieving greater magnification. Galileo's enhancements allowed him to see further and clearer than ever before. With his newly crafted instrument, Galileo embarked on a series of celestial observations that would forever change our view of the cosmos. He pointed his telescope towards the heavens, becoming the first human to observe the moon's surface in such detail. Galileo's observations revealed a celestial body far different from the smooth, perfect sphere described by Aristotle. He observed mountains, craters, and vast plains on the moon's surface, challenging long-held beliefs. This discovery challenged the prevailing notion of celestial perfection. Galileo's telescope also unveiled the existence of countless stars invisible to the naked eye. He observed the Milky Way and discovered that it was composed of a multitude of individual stars. Galileo's contributions to astronomy were monumental. His use of the telescope laid the groundwork for future astronomical discoveries. Today, modern telescopes and space exploration missions continue to build on Galileo's legacy. Galileo's work remains a testament to the power of observation and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. As Galileo once said, "All truths are easy to understand once they are discovered. The point is to discover them."